Hello, good morning, friends. My name is Jean-Claude. This morning I'm going to be trading with you for the first time on Binance. You know, Binance is a crypto platform exchange whereby you can trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. If you can have a look here, you can trade Binance coin with against Bitcoin. You can also trade um, Ethereum against Binance. You can trade Ethereum against Bitcoin. You can trade, a lot of other currencies actually. Yeah, what is more interesting is for the people who are making money out of Steemit. So Steemit is now on Binance as Steam. It is, number 33 on the exchange. You can just write Steam and it will come. That's it. So you can, Steam BTC, you can trade it. Today it is at $2.39. Has just gone down like, a little bit of 5%, but it's fine. So right now you can trade. You see, right? So you can trade BTC, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade Binance currency, you can trade ESD Theta. There is a lot you can do here, and you can make favorites, a list of those ones that you choose to trade with. Then obviously you need to create an account on Binance. I'm gonna give you a link where you will go through to create an account if you don't have any. Then you have to choose the pair which you want to trade in. So basically you do like, okay, let's say, but you need balance in the account. If you choose Binance currency against Bitcoin, you need to see the money that you have inside. Mine currently is little for, I've not invested in Binance currency that much. But in any case, if I want to bring, let's say, BTC. Let me show you that BTC, right? Yeah, Bitcoin. I'm still on BTC BNB, so it's not coming quickly. I've written, small letters. It has to come, so it will show me, how much I have and how much I can trade. BTC, USD Tether. You look at that, it immediately shows you, how it looks like. For instance, the theta has gone a bit up, looks promising. You can increase the number of decimals that you want to use. Let me go back to BTC. It's much better, I guess. Yeah, yeah, that's it. So here you will see the balances that you have. I don't have a lot in this trading account. You can see my balances here. Not really much, but it's some money, right? BTC value, that's a lot, isn't it? So let's see how you can trade. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at all these balances. Yeah, so you check these candlesticks to see how the market is performing. You can actually take a position, like put your a limit on the money that you would like to take when a trade reaches that level. You can also go below and say, okay, if it goes down to that level, please stop my position. Okay, right? You see that? So you limit yourself up and down, then the positions will be closed when the market reaches that level. So when you are ready to buy or sell, you just click on buy here, or if it is sell, click on sell here. I'm currently not going to do that because I'm awaiting some moves like in 30 minutes. It is still early in the morning. Yeah, it's almost 9 GMT, so I'm waiting a little bit. Yeah, so that's it. That was my first lesson to you guys, and I hope to see you in an hour or even tomorrow as we continue trading on Binance. Thank you so much and have a nice time.